Taking care of our water purifiers is like taking care of our loved ones. But there are some challenges we face. Purifiers' health and consistency are affected by factors such as turbidity, heavy metals, dissolved solids, pesticides, and harmful microorganisms present in the input water. This leads to premature choking of filters and membranes, thereby hampering the purifier's performance. That's why Blue Star offers its Preventive Maintenance Service, a service that helps your water purifier to perform optimally over a longer period of time. A preventive maintenance service is the professional cleaning of all filter cartridges to remove turbidity and accumulated contaminants. This results in enhanced filter life, better filtration, and cleaner water. Using the Smart Service mantra, our trained technicians provide quality service to every customer. Blue Star's Preventive Maintenance Service adds longevity to your water purifier while ensuring pure and healthy water for your family and loved ones. For more details, contact us or visit our website. Blue Star Water Purifiers. Purity you can trust.